Many kinds of emergencies can cause you to have to evacuate your home. Sometimes you have a day or two to prepare, like during a hurricane, and sometimes the situation requires immediate evacuation, like a house fire. It's important to talk to your family about a plan so you can evacuate quickly and safely, no matter the circumstances. Here's how to plan your evacuation. Make a plan for how your family will leave and where you should go during an emergency. This could be a friend's home in another neighborhood, a family member's home in another town, or a hotel. Choose several destinations in different directions so that you have options. You'll also want to consider destinations that will allow your furry family members. Figure out several routes and other transportation out of the area around your home. Keep in mind that one of your evacuation routes may be on foot depending on the type of disaster. Stay informed with information from local officials. Follow their guidance and instructions. Come up with a plan for how you will communicate in case your family is separated. Have a meeting place and update it depending on the circumstances. Remember, sometimes in immediate emergencies, not all of your family may be at your home. Have a person outside your town who everyone can contact in case your family is separated. Keep in mind that phone communications locally may be limited during certain emergencies. It's been found that texting sometimes works when calling does not. Gather supplies in a bag that you can carry when you evacuate on foot or if you have to use public transportation. Also plan for supplies for traveling longer distances in your car. Planning for emergencies before they happen can make all the difference. For more information on preparing for emergency situations, go to thecityofsouthlake.com/beprepared.